Nah, like, oh, Corky, I knew you like me. You did. She said that. The sound sounds much better, boys. What was the issue? Nikki, it was our streaming service. We got a new distributor, and that seems to work it out. But, Joe, we're drinking State Light, new beer. You're going to have to check out the clips and stuff earlier in the episode.
Will be coming.
Yeah. But, no, like, okay, so this was, like, I knew how much went into the first production. So they got a new person shooting it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Love the way he worked.
Yep.